Oh my gosh, what happened to your MacBook, you said, miss?
I couldn't charge it anymore.
Why? Oh my gosh.
I have no idea.
Your MacBook is pregnant. That's why. Oh my god, look at the battery. Damn. Did you use different charger? You don't know? Don't worry.
I have no idea.
Don't worry. I got you. God damn. This is about to blow up. Look at this battery. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Thank you. Your master is genius.
This screw is not coming off, so I'm gonna try with this. That's how you do it. Alright, we're gonna apply some alcohol on this. I'm so scared to remove this battery. I don't want to blow on me. Look at this. This is the biggest one you ever seen. That's my biggest one I ever seen on the MacBook. Really?
Nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus.
Broke. Alright, let's try with this. God damn. Apply more alcohol. Oh my gosh. Finally, one only. This is only one. Oh my gosh. 2 is out, 4 more to go. The scary part is I don't know if it's gonna blow up or not. That's what scares me. Alright, another one is done. We got 3 more to go. I want to take this side first and then I can go on this one again, because this one I don't want to get fire. Okay. Oh my gosh. Right, we got this one. Okay, so now we can go this one too. We got some going under the bed, under the main board. There are some parts under the main board, right here and right here. So I have to lose this screw so I can pull this out. Let's see it now. Yes. So you don't have to take the whole main board out. Nice. Look at this. Look at this battery. Holy moly. Alright, this is the new battery. Look at the difference. Look at this battery. And look at the battery that I just pulled. Oh my god, like, this is unbelievable. See the batteries? Look at that and look at this. How did you get in this big? Apple, how? Should send this to Apple. Take your pregnant battery back. Unbelievable, you cannot even close this. I'm putting the new heat anyway. Let's take all this off. Your MacBook is ready.
Oh my
miss.
God.
Look at that now.
Oh, yay! You made it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh, much appreciate. You
No
are so
problem.
super.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.